Hey everybody, Dave here. I've got a customer dropped off a quad. He wanted me to get going for him. It's like a 1996, 97, 98 Honda Fourtrax LTX 300, I believe. Four-wheel drive. It's been sitting under a tarp for 7 or 8 years outside, and he just wants to get it back going, see if he can get some good times out of it. So I'm doing a few things. And one of the things he asked me to do is just take these dry rotted tires that don't hold air anymore. The rims are pretty beat up. But he thought if I could put some tubes in here for him and this thing would hold air, that would be fine. He would do that. So let me try and install a tube into this tubeless quad wheel. Okay, here's the tool I'm going to use. This is a must-have, like I said, unless you bring these four wheels to a tire shop and have them charge you money. This is a must-have, and it just makes the whole job super easy. You're never going to get this thing off trying to, pry it with a block of wood or drive onto it with your car. It's just not going to work. So my suggestion is get one of these. They're like 50, 60 bucks, and then it just makes this job super easy, which you will see. Alright, so here's how you use this tool here. You lock this little leg, you get it in between the rim and the tire. And you tighten this bolt, which locks it to the rim. And now you drive this bolt in, which pushes down on the tire off the bead. There you go. Now you can fight all day with it, or you can buy that tool and it's a piece of cake. Alright, now I want to get the tire up off of the rim so I can sneak inside there with the tube. And so I'm just going to use regular screwdrivers, just like you would on your bicycle. And what you want to do is you want to make sure when you're trying to get it over the lip here, you want to push the tire down on this side to get it inside the deep part of the wheel, so the whole tire will actually go and give you some working room. Right now it's centered. If you push this down, the tire will go this way and you'll be able to pry it up. There's one. And just take small little pieces, little by little, and you might use 3 screwdrivers. Small little pieces. A little bit at a time. And I think I'm almost off of it now. And this rim and tire shot. I mean, I'm not worried about am I going to damage anything, but I don't think I am anyway. Alright, I think this is going to be off now. Alright. So now, I should be able to reach in here, hopefully. Maybe not. Alright, I'm not going to be able to reach in the back side with this bead still on, so I need to break this bead as well, so the whole tire will give me room to get inside there. Which is not a big deal, because we've got the tool. tires. Well worth the 60 bucks. Alright, now I got to get rid of this stem, because we're not using this stem anymore. Let's see if I can cut it off from the back side. Looks like we got some green slime in here. Yeah, nice try. But that ain't gonna work on these tires. They're shot. But a tube might get you out in the trail. Alright, now I'm gonna put the tube inside here. Now with both beads broken, I can do this now, so I can, get the tube in here without killing myself. Okay, tube's inside. Here's the stem hole. Let's see if I can figure out where the stem went. Put a nut on this stem. Alright, so the stem's nice and tight. And now this is where you need to be careful, because that's where the stem is, and this bead is in proximity. We don't want to damage anything in there, so just be careful with that. Now we've got to get this tire back on the rim. And we're going to do that just the reverse. And just be careful now, because I've got a tube inside here now that I don't want to damage. And I'm just going to work my way around this rim. Now we're back on the rim. And then hopefully, if we didn't damage the tube, put some air in it. Enough air to set the bead, and then drop the pressure back down to about 10 pounds. Alright, here we go. Okay, that's about 10 pounds right there. 15 pounds. Shouldn't go over 30 pounds, I guess, so that's 19 pounds. Whatever you do, don't stick your finger in here. Because you'll lose it. Alright, let's see what the other side looks like. I think Alright, so that bead is set now on both sides. And we can drop the pressure back down to about 10 pounds. And hopefully, if I didn't damage the tube at all with my screwdrivers, we're in good shape. 20 pounds. Alright, that's 10 pounds. So there we have it. Installing a tube in a tubeless quad wheel. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you like. And until next time.